Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a products I've used up video. So I'm going to show you all my empties from like makeup, skincare, everything that I've used up, and I'm going to tell you guys my final thoughts on the product and if I plan on repurchasing it. I have a lot of stuff because I've actually been putting this video on the back burner lately just because I don't know if you guys like these kinds of videos anymore or if they're kind of just like not cool anymore. So let me know by thumbsing it up if you do end up liking these kind of videos so I can know to keep doing them for you guys. But yeah, if you guys want to see what I used up, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I see a lot of makeup wipes, so we'll go ahead and start with those. So I finished up 4 kind of different makeup wipes. So I got these ones from Big Lots and they're called the Aloe Vera cleansing tissues. These ones are super affordable. They're only $2 and you get this big pack. They work really good, especially if you want to remove swatches. But I just like buying cheaper wipes whenever I know I'm going to use like a cleansing balm or something else to kind of remove my makeup. And then I just use like a cheaper wipe to go ahead and just remove the excess makeup. So I don't need something super strong. So I probably will end up buying those again just to have some cheaper wipes. And then I also finished up these Clean and Clear lemon cleansing wipes. These ones were kind of harsh on my skin. I think it's because it has that lemon in there. And I ended up buying these because they were out of my favorite ones, which we're actually going to talk about next. So I just used them up to use them up, but I didn't end up liking them. And then the ones I was talking about before are these ones. These are the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Calming All-in-One Cleansing Wipes. These are my all-time favorite makeup wipes from high-end to drugstore. Like, these are my favorite, and they work really well at like removing all your makeup by itself, or you could use it with like a cleansing balm. And whenever I just want to like spoil myself, I'll go ahead and let myself buy these. They're around like $5, so they're not that expensive, but like I said, these ones are like $2, so a little bit cheaper. But these are my all-time holy grail makeup wipes. And then I finished up some MAC ones that I got for gratis. These are the Demi wipes, and it's just the regular MAC wipes. They were okay, nothing too spectacular. I probably would never buy them myself, but if I did get them for gratis again, I would use them. Next up, I did finish my favorite like cottons. I get these from Daiso. They come with 130 sheets. They're called the Fresh Cotton Squares. They kind of remind me of the Shiseido ones. I did a video comparing them like a long time ago, and I've always just like repurchased them because they're only $1.50, so they're super affordable, way more cheaper than the Shiseido ones. So I definitely will keep buying these. Let's go ahead and skip to some makeup just so we don't just like keep doing skincare and it gets boring. But I finished 2 concealers here. So I have the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in the color Chiffon. This is my new holy grail concealer, so that tells you right there that I will plan on repurchasing this. I have the color Chiffon. I don't know if I said that already, but today I actually tried getting the stopper out with like some tweezers, and I was breaking the heck out of my nails. Like, it will not come out. If you guys have any tips and tricks to get the stopper out, let me know, because I feel like there's just a tiny bit at the bottom and I really want to use it because I love the concealer that much. The only thing I don't like about this concealer is that it's Jouer, so it's online only, and so I can't just like go to Sephora and pick it up. I have to order something or order it, and I don't know, I don't like waiting. I'm very impatient, but I do love this concealer, so I'm definitely gonna repurchase. And then like I said, I also finished up the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I have the color C2. I do like this concealer. It's very hydrating. It's not super duper full coverage, but it's a good everyday concealer. I don't know if I would repurchase it though, just because I already have 2 backups, and I have to go through those. And then I also am not completely in love with it, and I might find something better in the future just because I've been trying out a lot of different concealers. So I'm not sure if I would repurchase it, but I am going to keep using the ones that I have. Oh my gosh, I actually finished some hair stuff too. So we have hair in here as well. So I finished up this It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. This is what I use every day, or not every day. Every time I wash my hair in the shower, I will use this right after in my damp hair to detangle it. You guys know I'm always complaining about how tangly my hair is, and this just really helps. It also helps treat it because it's a conditioner. It's supposed to do 10 things, but I just like it for those things. And then I finished this dry shampoo. This is the Clarine dry shampoo, and so this one had like a skin tone shade. It looks like the cap, it looks nude like that, and it was so weird. It actually made my hair very like it looked like I put powder foundation in my hair, and it was really hard to blend out, even harder than white dry shampoos, which is crazy. But I did end up using it up because it was like a good dry shampoo. It was just hard to get that like residue color out of my hair. So I definitely wouldn't repurchase it. I did get this for gratis like a long time ago, so I'm not gonna plan on purchasing it anytime soon because I got it for free. I finished up my Holy Grail cleanser. This is the Shiseido Ibuki Gentle Cleanser. I love this. I've been using it for years now. I feel like I've been through 3 bottles. It lasts you forever. A little bit goes a long way, and it's a foaming cleanser. It's just amazing on the skin. It's not too harsh. It doesn't have a lot of ingredients. It's very just like simple, but they stopped carrying it at Ulta, which I'm so sad about it because now I can't get a discount on it because I have to buy it on Sephora, and they don't even have it on Sephora like in store. I have to order it online. I don't know if maybe they're discontinuing it. I'm super scared because I really love this cleanser, and I hope that they don't. I ended up buying another one during the Sephora VIP sale, the last one, and so I did repurchase it, but hopefully, like I said, they don't discontinue it. If you guys have tried any of the other Shiseido cleansers, let me know if they're good or not, because I might just like switch over to one of the permanent ones because like I said, they might get rid of this. Hopefully not though. So I did finish that. Sorry if you guys heard that, my phone was vibrating. Okay guys, so I finished 3 moisturizers. One of them was the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. I had got this for gratis a long time ago. It's actually too heavy on my skin. I have more combination skin, so I don't use it on my face. I actually use this as a neck cream and I really love it. Christian loves it on his neck too. It's just very hydrating for the neck area, and you always can prevent lines really early. That's what I'm trying to prevent because I do have some already, and so I don't know, I just love it on the neck. And I already repurchased this one, or actually I have a different one now. I have the one that's scented, but this is the unscented one, but all of them are pretty much the same. They just have different scents. But yeah, completely used that up. Ooh, it doesn't smell good. That has been in there for a while. Next up, I finished up this Ole Hendrickson Sheer Transformation Moisturizer. This has like been in every single Empties video that I filmed because it's my holy grail moisturizer. But recently I've been trying out a lot of different moisturizers just because you can only get this at Sephora and I work at Ulta. So I definitely want to try moisturizers from Ulta to see if I find something either similar or that I like better, just because I'd rather get a discount on it. But I do love this moisturizer and I probably will end up repurchasing it in the future. Now, here's another moisturizer that I really love, but you can find this one at Ulta and also Sephora. This is the Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. This is an amazing moisturizer. It's in that gel kind of formula. It's like a light pink color, and I wear this like on a daily basis in the morning. I love it as a daytime moisturizer, not so much at night, just because I feel like I need something a little bit more heavy for nighttime, but this under makeup is amazing. It doesn't make your makeup peel or your primers ball up or anything. And so if you guys haven't tried this moisturizer, it's definitely worth the money. It's $60, so it's really pricey, so I hate buying it, but I feel like I need to just because I've been trying a lot of moisturizers, like I said, and I feel like nothing really compares to this one. Right now I am using a Belief one that's like comparable to this one, so hopefully I end up liking that one. Okay, so I finished up another Holy Grail product. This is the Lancome Bi Facil Eye Makeup Remover. This is just a really good eye makeup remover. It removes waterproof mascara, eyelash glue, eyeliner, just all that jazz. And I only use this on days that I'm wearing like a full face of makeup. If not, I'll just use like my cleansing balm and my makeup wipes. But if I really need something to get that lash glue off and all that jazz, I would definitely go in with this. And so I already repurchased this because it went on sale 50% off at Ulta, and I definitely had to pick it up for that. So I finished 2 of my favorite setting spray. This is the Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray, and this is also the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This one sounds like it has a little bit in there, but it doesn't spray out. So both of them are pretty much the same. If you actually look on Urban Decay's boxes of both products, they have the exact same ingredients. So I don't know what that's about, but I just end up buying one or the other, whichever one's cheaper at the time or is more readily available. But I love both. I do feel like the De-Slick controls my oil a little bit better, but like I said, the ingredients are the same, so maybe it's like a placebo effect. I'm not sure, but I definitely love these setting sprays, and I already repurchased one. Oh my god, I finished another one. So I even finished up a mini of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Dang, so 3. That's a lot. Okay, I finished up a toner from Clarins. This is the toning lotion with chamomile, and it's alcohol free, and it's for normal to dry skin. Like I said, I have combination skin, but I didn't see any like bad things come from this. It was just like a normal toner. I don't think I would repurchase it because I didn't love it. It was just okay. Next up, I finished some body wash from Soap & Glory. They're the little minis. We have the Clean On Me one, and then also the famous shower gel. This one smells like shea butter, and this one smells like the Righteous butter, if you've smelled that before. But I really love their body washes. I just love the way they smell, and they really clean your body nice and good. But I would definitely not repurchase like a full size just because they do run really pricey. I think they're like $15 or something like that, when you could get like a big tub of body wash from Walmart for like $3. So I just don't see that they're worth the money. But if I get them for free, like I got these for gratis, I will definitely use them up. So I finished 2 of the Confidence in Eye Cream from It Cosmetics. These are really good eye creams. I thought I had 3, but I'm using a Murad one now because I ran out of these. These are super good. I definitely would repurchase the full size now that I know that I like it, because I had got these little minis from a vendor and I just really wanted to try it out, and I do like it for like a nighttime eye cream. Not so much for daytime because it is a little bit heavier, but for nighttime it's a really good eye cream. And then I also finished this one up. This is the Bareminerals Ageless Genius Firming Wrinkle and Smoothing Eye Cream. I didn't really feel any firming under my eyes when I use this. It kind of just reminded me of the It Cosmetics one, to where it's just very thick and hydrating, which I like for nighttime. So I definitely use this during the night. It's supposed to be infused with gold flakes, but I don't know what that's about. I definitely used it up, but I would never repurchase it just because it's a little bit pricey, and I didn't see like, I feel like I like the It Cosmetics one just a tad bit more, so I definitely repurchased that one over this one. So next up, I finished this mini size of a neck cream from Strivectum. This is the Tightening Neck Cream. I definitely didn't feel any tightening on my neck when I used it, but it was just very thick, like super thick, to where you had to like warm it up in your hands and put it on your neck, and that's what I liked about it. I liked how thick and hydrating it was, but it's a little bit pricey, and I feel like my First Aid Beauty one is just as good, but it's a lot more affordable, so I'll definitely keep using that. But if I have like deeper lines and stuff like that, to where I could like see a super big difference with this, I would definitely repurchase it. But for now, like since I don't have a lot of lines, I'll just stick with the First Aid Beauty one. I finished up an eyeliner from Smashbox. This is the Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner in the color Sumatra, which is actually a really dark brown. It looks kind of black on camera, but hopefully you guys could tell it's brown. I love these eyeliners. So the cap twists on, and I feel like it keeps it from getting dry, because a lot of my eyeliners, even the ones with the cap that you just like pop on, I feel like they dry out super duper quick, and these do not dry out, and they're also waterproof, and they just last on your tight line and also your waterline. So out of all the eyeliners I've tried, which I've tried a lot because I've gotten them for gratis and stuff, I feel like this is my favorite formula. So I definitely have to pick up a black one. I just thought of that because I really like this liner. I forgot all about it. I love the dark brown too. So I finished up this Tacha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. It took me forever to finish this up because I actually didn't like it. I feel like it made my face look really greasy, so I ended up using it like on my beauty blender, just like wet it and stuff, but that's how I like ended up using it all. So I definitely wouldn't repurchase this. It's just not good for my like skin type, but if you're really dry, I could see like why you like it. So I finished up a mini size of this Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. What I really liked about this is that it was super hydrating. I remember buying the full size like a long time ago, and I didn't really see a difference, so I never repurchased it, but I do like the fact that it's like an AHA acid, or what is it? Is it AHA? It's a lactic acid treatment, so I think it's AHA. I'm not sure. I don't know the science behind everything, but I love that it's moisturizing, and I feel like I would repurchase this in the future, especially if I get more texture. So I did like that. Then I finished up another Holy Grail product. This is the Maria Badescue drying lotion. I just love this to go ahead and dry out any like pimple that I messed with, or like when I see a pimple coming, I'll definitely use this as to like prevent it. It doesn't always prevent it. Most of the time it doesn't. It just really helps dry it out after like it's popped. I know it's gross, but yep. that's what I use it for. I finished up this Cots Face Natural Tinted Primer. It has SPF 40. That's why I finished it up, because I love that it has that SPF 40 in there. So like if any of my foundations or moisturizers don't have SPF, I'll go in with this, especially if I'm gonna be outdoors. And it's tinted, and so it really like fills in the pores, just makes everything look smooth and even. It's a really good primer. You could find it on like the drugstore side of Ulta if you do want to try it out, but I have tons and tons of these little mini sizes, so I'm definitely gonna finish those up first before I buy the full size, but I could definitely see myself purchasing that in the future. Okay, so I finished up kind of this like deluxe size of this First Aid Beauty Acne Clearing Charcoal Cleanser. I didn't see a big difference with this, but I just used it anytime I felt like I was gonna break out. So I'm definitely not gonna repurchase it, but it does say it has 2% salicylic acid. I just feel like my skin reacts better to benzoyl peroxide, so maybe I need to find a cleanser with that in it. But yeah, I did use that up. I finished up my Anastasia brow gel in the color Clear. I feel like this is such a good brow gel. I have the Auburn shade right now, and it fills in my brows like really nicely with the color, and it makes my brows match my hair a little bit better. But the thing with that one is I feel like it's not as strong as holding the hairs up as the Clear, so I definitely repurchased the Clear already because I really like it. And last but not least, I finished up this Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. Oh my gosh, I just now remembered how much I love this. I definitely need to purchase the big size. This stuff was amazing. It just felt really, really nice under the eyes, especially for like daytime and morning time. I just felt like it felt so smooth. It almost felt like a primer under my eyes, so I really like that sample. I probably will buy the full size later on. Ooh, no, I lied. That was not the last thing. I also finished this Bite Agave lip mask. This has been my holy grail lip mask for forever, and I bought it like so long ago. I think I was working at Sephora. That's how long ago I bought it, but it just lasted me forever. And this is actually not the full size, so I could just imagine how long the full size lasts. So I definitely have to pick that up. I just always forget about it because it's like a lip balm, so I never think about it until I need one. I have been trying out the Laneige sleeping mask, but it's not as thick and hydrating as the Bite Beauty one, and I feel like I like the Bite Beauty one more for like nighttime, and the Laneige one is better for like daytime, I feel like. And so yeah guys, that was everything that I used up for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, like I said, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I can know to keep collecting my empties for you guys, so I could review it for you guys after I'm done with them. But yeah, if you have any questions about any of these products, leave it in the comments down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe before you leave. I do make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!